What's up, everybody? This is Tourette Trucker. Those of you new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Those of you already subscribed, appreciate you coming back. Today we're going to talk about a little bit about how my day went today. I actually got a load, worked out good. I'm actually making money, which is a good thing. So, and I have an awesome dispatcher. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll be right back. What's up, everybody? Tourette Trucker coming at you. I am here leaving Troy, Illinois. I just stopped here at the TA to get me a little bit of fuel, give me a shower. Now I am rolling. After my food pile this morning and getting unloaded slowly in Springfield, Missouri, I got reloaded 15 miles away in Republic, Missouri. Yeah, there we go. Republic, at a place called Red Monkey. Red Monkey Spices. Can't complain about the load. Pays $1.99 a mile for all miles, including my deadhead. I'm headed to Batesville, Indiana to unload up here at a distribution center. $1.99 for all miles. But I've only got 11,000 pounds. I mean, I cannot complain. My dispatcher has had me rolling pretty good since I've got with her. So I'm really happy with her. Her name is Alyssa, which is my daughter's name also. So that's cool. I like her. She's keep me rolling. As long as she keeps me rolling, we're gonna have a good relationship. Work relationship, y'all. Come on now, Catherine. But yeah. And it'll deliver tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. I tried calling the customer to see if they had a place to park. There is a Petro that is 7 miles, 8.9, yeah, 8.9 miles down the road from it. But here's the kicker. I'm supposed to deliver at 7. Google reviews say it is first come, first served, but they told me 7. Now, looking at my GPS, it says I will get there to the place at 9:09 tonight. Okay, if I get there at 9:09 tonight, 10-hour break, that means I can't. 10-hour break, that's 7:09. That's 9 minutes past the time I'm supposed to unload. Then you also got to figure a post-trip inspection and a pre-trip inspection. So you might as well add another half hour of that, and then getting going and moving all that. But I did see Google reviews where somebody put on there less than a week ago that there is overnight parking, plenty of overnight parking at the plant, at the distribution center. And I even found another review from a month ago. Somebody said the same thing. Plenty of room to park at. Excellent place. You're in and out in 30 minutes. So that's cool. So I'm going to park at the customer. That way I'm there. Hey, so if I get there a little bit late tonight, I'm there. I mean, ain't nothing to just roll a couple feet up to a dock and then back in, you know. So hey, that's all good, and I'll get my load on time. But if it's a first come, first serve, it's not really gonna matter anyway. So I mean, it'll still be cool. But I'll get my butt up and go check in the morning anyway. But at least I'll be there to customer, y'all. That's how you do trucking. She asked me if I wanted it. She's nice. She always gives me an option. Do you want this, or do you want me to keep looking? I'm like, go ahead, keep looking. I mean, go ahead and take it. I mean, hey, I mean, a 15-mile deadhead. It's not hazmat tanker freight per mile, but I did a lot of deadheading with a tanker. So, because you got to go to a tank wash out, then go load somewhere. I mean, there are times that you end up with 500 deadhead miles. Sometimes you end up having to come all the way back, which is 1,000 plus deadhead miles back to go get. So that $2 to $3 a mile that you get loaded, you're eating it up in deadhead. So I can't complain. I think I'm doing pretty good. I think I might like it here. So I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt. Name of the company is Status Transportation. Winter Haven, Florida. They got a terminal in Atlanta. dispatcher is actually out of Texas. So, it's all cool, y'all. So, hey, think about it. Black box freight. I'm starting to kind of get the hang of it. I'm going to be frustrated. You know, I'm still used to a tanker after all these years of a tanker, so I'm still going to be frustrated. Haven't really pulled a box since 2005. Because when I did with UPS was terminal to terminal. So you hook up to a preloaded trailer at UPS, you drop it off at another UPS terminal. Then you wait till they get the next one loaded, and you hook up a preload trailer and drop it. So we weren't actually going to shippers and receivers and bumping docks and sitting for hours and having to pay a lumper. They charged $120 to unload like 14 pounds of Powerade. I mean, was it really that much to unload 14 pallets of Powerade? The pallets were only waist high. Waist high pallets of Powerade, and it took you 3 hours to get me unloaded and get me, you know, an amount so I can get the com check or whatever, EFS check for it. That's crazy, y'all. Anyway, we gonna get on up here to basically Indiana. She said, soon as I unload, it's a good position for another load, so give me another load. Hey, that'd be cool. So this will go on the paycheck, so it's all good. So y'all take care, y'all stay blessed, give Jesus Christ all the glory, because I thank him for letting me have a job. I thank him and give him all the praise. He allowed me 2 months of home time with the wife and the family, allowed me to get some things done around the house, the whole inside of the house painted. I didn't do the office, I didn't mess with my office painting that, or Jamie's room. But we did the main part, the 2-story part, and all that, and got some other stuff done, so it was good. So hey, I give him all the thanks and praise and glory. He allowed me to still wake up, allowed me to have a job. So, hey, thank you, Jesus. So, I give him the praise and glory. Y'all do the same. We'll holler at y'all later. Peace out.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.